You are here as you are not able to find your Amazon storefront. The user interface might look confusing, but it is not. You will see that in 2 easy steps, you will be able to figure out everything just by spending additional 1 minute here. This is how the influencer and associate page looks like. It is slightly different. You see influencer and associate written on top, and then you have this get link section for you to share your affiliate link. So once you're here on right side, you see this settings. Once you click here, you come to this earnings button, and this is where once you click, you will come to this page, which is your earning page. Be it associate, be it influencer, this is how the dashboard looks like. On top right hand corner, you see those 3 lines. This is where you have to come and click, where once you click, you will be taken to this page. You see here home, and on the bottom, in case you have multiple store, you will be able to see that too. So here storefront is the third from top. Once you click on storefront, it will take you to your Amazon storefront. You come here and click your storefront. This is where you will find your storefront, where you can go check what is happening. You can upload your content, and that's it, guys. I hope you found this useful. Thanks for watching.